Hello students, it's me Rizwan here. In this video, we are going to learn how to solve problems based on binomial distribution using this Casio graphic display calculator. So let us start. A box holds 240 eggs. The probability that an egg is brown is 0.05. Find the probability that there are 15 brown eggs in the box. Now it is very easy to note that this problem is based on binomial distribution, right? Here 240 is nothing but n, there is number of trials, and here success is nothing but getting a brown egg, and the probability of success, which is represented by the letter small p, is 0.05. So using this information, find the probability that there are 15 brown eggs in the box. So what we need to do is press and then go to stat mode, statistics mode, press F5, which is below distribution, and this time you need to choose binomial, which is F5 again. Now you can see there are two options, students, BPD as well as BCD. If you have to find a probability of a particular value, in this case P of x equal to 15, right? Find the probability there are 15 brown eggs in the box. So in that case, if you need to find the probability of a specific value, you need to use BPD. So let me press BPD. Now it will ask you whether the data is in the list or whether it is a variable. So what it means is, let me go back. Now here it is asking whether the calculator needs to take the value from here. Now as you know that there are no values here, and so it is not list. So distribution, binomial, BPD. So you need to choose variable, which is above F2. So press F2 and you will get this window. Here for x you need to enter 15, students, because the find P of x equal to 15. So execute. Number of trials is 240. Execute. P is nothing but 0.05. So this is what you get. The required probability is 0.0733, correct to three significant figures. Okay. The next problem is find the probability that there are at least 10 brown eggs in the box. So this is nothing but P of x greater than or equal to 10. Okay. Now in this case, we are going to use BCD. So let me exit distribution, binomial, BCD. Now the only thing that you need to note here is this BCD will only give you probability of x less than or equal to a particular number. Now for example, you can find P of x less than or equal to 10, or you can find P of x less than or equal to 9, or you can find P of x less than or equal to 8, but you cannot find this straight away. So what you need to do is, if I have to find P of x greater than or equal to 10, which is nothing but 1 minus P of x less than or equal to 9, right? So here what I need to do is x is 9, okay, and the number of trials is same, everything else is same. So you get this answer 0.2356, so 0.236. So this probability you need to subtract from 1, and that will give you P of x greater than or equal to 10. So that's how you do it. Now let's look at the second problem. Multiple choice test consists of 10 questions. Each question has 5 answers. Only one of the answers is correct. For each question, Juice randomly chooses one of the 5 answers. Fine. Now here, n is nothing but 10 number of questions. Each question has 5 answers. Since and only one of the options, one of the answers is right. Since Juice randomly chooses one of the 5 answers, the probability that he will answer a correct question fine. So let's now solve the second problem. A multiple choice test consists of 10 questions. Each question has 5 answers. Only one of the answers is correct. For each question, Joe randomly chooses one of the 5 answers. Fine. Now here n is nothing but 10, the number of questions. Each question has 5 answers and only one of them is right. And since Joe randomly chooses the answers, the probability that he will choose a correct answer is 1 by 5. Now here, so find the probability that Joe answers exactly 3 questions correctly and find the probability that Jose answers at most 3 questions correctly. So here we are going to consider success as answering a question correctly, right? So P is nothing but probability of success is nothing but 1 upon 5, since there are 5 options and only one of them is right. Okay, so let us do it. So here, so exit. So now distribution normal, I'm sorry, binomial. Okay, now BPD. Since I need to find P of X equal to 3, exactly 3 questions correctly. So P of X equal to 3, uh, I'll press 3 and number of trial is 10 and probability of success is 1 divided by 5, which is 0.2. Execute. So this is the answer, 0.20132659. So the final answer is 0.201, correct to 3 significant figures. Now the next question is find the probability that Jose answers at most 3 questions correctly. That means maximum 3 questions. So this can be represented by this P of X less than or equal to 3. So maximum 3. So this for to find this we can use BCD. Sorry, here. So exit distribution binomial BCD and X is 3, that is fine. So execute. So the answer is 0.879. Yeah, it's very, very simple. So I hope you're able to understand what I try to explain here. Thanks for watching this video, students.